We're going to be looking at a couple basic Salesforce navigation definitions. I have a QUIP document here, which is an external QUIP document. I'll be making that accessible in the details of the video, and you can just click here into these links, which are Salesforce help documents. And I briefly just listed out, some definitions here based on what we'll be looking at. So if I go to Salesforce Home, the first thing that I want to discuss is this bundle of dots over here on the top left. So this is called an app launcher, and if I click on it, it opens up a list of apps in Salesforce. So if I click on View All, I can see there's a bunch of different apps in here. Some are some external parties like Asana and Slack. Others are some custom ones that I've been working on in this test org, as well as some of the basics that you'll see like sales or service. So an app in Salesforce is a collection of different items that you package together to complete a certain function. So in Salesforce, we have objects, fields, page layouts, all of these different items, buttons, and you're packaging those in certain ways to complete a certain task, like an onboarding application or selling. And the app launcher is how you get to these items. Now, if we go back to this main page, you can see that we also have a search bar across the top of the page. So this is the Salesforce kind of global search, whole system search. So if I just start typing in here, I'm going to say farmers. I know I have a test account with farmer written in it. I can see that I return accounts and opportunities. So I'm pulling up anything in the system that I am searching for with farmers here. I can whittle this down to specific objects if I'd like. So if I say accounts and research farmers, I'm only going to see the account. Also on the home page, we have these tabs across the top of the page. So a tab, when I click this tab, it's going to take me to this specific object or item. It's a directional type of item that we put in Salesforce to get you to the place that you're trying to go to. So this is a tab for the contact object. So within the sales app, these are the tabs that I've chosen to be packaged together in this application. I can remove tabs, I can add tabs. If I build a custom object, I can create a tab. It doesn't necessarily have to have one either. That's not a requirement. And so wrapping this up, if you want to look at these definitions a little bit more in detail, I'd recommend checking out this external QUIP document we have and maybe clicking on some of the links. But that's just some basics on what you're going to see when you first log into Salesforce in terms of an app launcher and an application, search, and tabs.